Do you have everything set up for fireworks?
Daddy's going in his truck to get money.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He moved his truck so we can do fireworks in the driveway. So we don't set our backyard on fire again like we did earlier. Huh. What do you think, Zoe? Wanna sit down? Wanna climb? Where did Daddy go? Is he in that truck? Is he in the house?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He's preparing with the hose. Like I said, past experiences. I hear some over there. I see the smoke in the road. Are we gonna do some fireworks like that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get them. Zoe loves sparklers.
Whoa.
What do you think, Zoe?
Whoa.
Is that cool?
And then it started popping on Bree and she dropped it. Well, that's not better for her because of that. Like it is cool.
Yeah. Zoe loved the other one. Whoa! Fireworks up there and over
See that
there.
sparkler, Capri?
Yeah.
You like that?
You want to hold a different
This
sparkler?
girl's scared of fireworks. This girl loves them.
What is that
Giggles the whole
yucky?
time.
What's that yucky?
That one, there's just those ones. The snake ones aren't my favorite. What do you think, Zoe? Did you like that? You did.
Oh!
Wow. What do you think, Zoe?
No reaction.
No reaction.
No
that time?
reaction at all.
That was our favorite one last time.
No reaction. Horrible footage.
You did not like that?
There's still one or two that didn't go off.
Oh,
Both our girls started crying.
okay.
So we were preparing.
Well, I need to relight this one.
Is that?
It's not that scary.
No, it's not scary at all. Wow, it's spinning. It's go pop, pop, pop.
Oh no. Hey, hey, hey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I think fireworks is done.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Much better now. Yahoo! Wow. What do you think of that? You're not sure. Huh, Zoe? Yay! Clap for him! Yay! Yahoo! So much better this time. Yay! Yay, Zoe!
Wow, is that cool?
I'm not sad.
Oh, good.
Look at that good one there. Wow. Yay.